Hi everyone, I've just got a little update on the CNC router. So this is the y-axis moving. It's trying to go 19 meters a minute. So, okay, let's move. And at a slower velocity, like 8 meters a minute. I'm not actually sure how fast I'll ever be cutting, but at 6.7 meters a minute, I'll just capture the hull scope. Okay. Oh, we'll get that again. Cool. So at 6.7 meters a minute, the hull scope is showing. Let me just bump that up a bit. The top point is 0.01 following error. Okay. Maybe I'm just being silly. It might actually be okay. I was thinking this isn't good enough, but maybe I'm being ridiculous.